This is the main at Great Wolf Lodge, Concord, North Carolina. One. It's an Otis. 5,000 pound capacity. Oh, we're going up.
Okay.
Going down.
Oh no, we're going up. Shoot, we're going 4. If you could just hit 4, and then I'll go down with you guys and shoot. Yeah, I think this one's going up.
Going up, okay.
Sorry.
I think it was going up when we
Big
got
chest right here. But we can never open it. The big chest right there. We can never open it.
All those floors.
Y'all having fun?
You know what I'm excited. Oh, someone's taking the other elevator. And like the buttons, this is I name a few. Here are at 1. Get that. That one's on 3rd. And it's, oh, there it is. Four. Oh, I'm starting to have fun. And capacity. Oh, we're stopping at 3. What floor? Going up?
Yep.
What floor?
Yeah, the people in the elevator with you, stay in your space, and you turn down your music.
Oh, that's a really good song. Just saying. Alright. I don't know. Yeah, the dragon. Come on, you guys. Let's go get in line.
Okay, come here, bud. Alex.
Sorry. What, please?
What?
So, I think you have your friend.
Yeah, you can buy,
One just like at the Drone Performing Arts Center.
you can,
The buttons, one just like the Drone Performing Arts Center.
you can buy any topper. Dragon, stars.
Vandal. Here are 2. There it goes in.